Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. This is a Asus laptop, the model X35E. So this laptop is no power. You can see I plugged the charger, but here is no power. So see, so I think this problem is charging socket here. So now I will open and check what is the problem. So guys, open this all the screw. This laptop. You need a star screwdriver. Okay, first you have to remove the hard disk. This here is broken, so I have to change routing, check it is working or not working. See guys, just working. See, working. Just problem here is the broken. So this way you can fix your Asus laptop charging socket. See, this pin was broken, the plus point, and I just soldering, or you can replace this. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now we will close and see guys, inside the fan you have to clean this, otherwise it will be not working perfectly. See, okay guys, I have to clean the fan. So now I return back. Before I return back, I just use some paste for cooling paste for the CPU. Okay guys, I have to use the paste, so I will return back this. Okay guys, now I return back this. Connect this speaker, and this is the display connection. Be carefully. Okay, here is some screw. Have to connect this screw. All the Okay guys, done. Connect this one. It's almost done guys. Guys, this computer is working, you can see. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video. Guys, finally this Asus laptop is working, you can see. And it was the problem, the charging socket, that's why it's no power on. Now it's working. So guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video. Thank you.